Hello everyone, my name is Joseph McCrae and I'm 30 years old and own my own company in which I am the Chief Executive Officer, also known as the CEO. As I speak to you young entrepreneurs about pursuing this career path and becoming a successful business personnel, I wanted to share my story on how my hard work and dedication got me into the position I am in today. Starting off where I grew up, I was born in New York, also known as a city that never sleeps, then moved to a small town in New Jersey where I spent most of my childhood. And my last stop was the Sunshine State of Florida and the place I love to call my home. It was during my senior year of high school. I had to decide on what I wanted to do when I'm older. My family had a business in which my two older brothers already worked for it, and were both majoring in business fields at the schools, Boston College and other UCF. So I then decided to attend Valencia College in Orlando to pursue a degree in business administration. I spent my first 2 years at Valencia College and got my AA degree, and then transferred to the University of Central Florida to finish my last 2 years of schooling to get my bachelor's degree. The price of my schooling over the years was around $5,000 for my first 2 years at Valencia, and for my last 2 years at UCF was around $12,000. I was very fortunate to have my parents pay for all of my schooling. After my 4 years of college, I decided to continue my education and get my master's degree at the University of Central Florida in Business Administration, which took 2 years to complete and costed around $15, in which my parents also paid for, which I'm very thankful. After those years of schooling, I found out what my purpose in life was going to be. My purpose was to make the people I love proud and have an impact on others' lives. Making the people who care about me the most proud is something that strives me to do everything I did in my life. With my work, I would also like to help others and make a lasting impact on this earth. In a class I took my freshman year at Valencia, I took a class called New Student Experiences. And in that class, we talked about our purpose and our strengths. I learned so much from it, and after a half year of finding out what kind of person I am, during this time I found out my strengths in the workforce, and those being competitive, futuristic, developer, intelligent, and achiever. After my schooling from UCF, I moved back to my birthplace to help my two older brothers run and expand our family business. With our teamwork and hard work and dedication, we have expanded our company by almost 5 times the size of it since when I graduated college. This led me to be able to fund my new family and live the life I always dreamed of. I have also invested in houses and businesses all over the world to keep my income going and to set up future generations of my family. I currently travel all over the country to different stores and warehouses to check up on our men and women working and always looking to expand and look for more work. I'm so proud of what I've done so far in this incredible life and only hope for the best for our future. Our main locations are in the states of New York, New Jersey, Georgia, California, and Florida. 3 tips that have helped me get to the point where I am in my life are these 3 investments. These 3 being stocks, real estate, and yourself. Knowing what to do with your money is important, and invest in other things to help build your wealth. This also starts with yourself, being able to take a risk and see your growth over time. My current place where I live is in Los Angeles, and my current place of work. It has been a dream of mine to always live here since I was young, and now I get to share this dream with my new family. A quote I live by today and will say to my kids is what my own father said. With that being, there's no money in the bed, meaning you have to get up for work every morning and always have to get to a place to get the money. Thank you all for listening. I hope my advice helps you become successful as it did for me. Thank you.